Hello dear colleagues and friends, Ippolito here from Amped Software. Welcome back to another update video. Summer is here, holidays are looming, but we have been working hard nevertheless to update Amped Authenticate, your favorite forensic image and video authentication tool. Well, stay tuned as I walk you through the exciting features of the new version of the software. We'll start with the image mode and with a brand new filter that can be found in the geometrical analysis group. It is called Perspective, and as you can probably deduct, its job is to detect inconsistencies with a rendition of features found in a two-dimensional representation of the scene. The main concept is actually pretty basic, i.e. lines that are parallel in the scene should all converge into a single point in its two-dimensional counterpart. If they don't, then well, we have a problem. To use the filter, simply click on it and you'll immediately be able to register the parallel lines and draw them with the mouse. The drawing consists of registering wedges, similarly to what you would do for shadows and reflection filters, but you can position the dotted line to match as closely as possible the chosen reference line. The wedge will allow for a margin of error, but what will really help you with spotting deepfakes is the ability to register multiple clusters in a surface plane, which you can do simply by clicking on the appropriate tab. Each cluster is made for lines that share the same direction in the real world, but for each use of the filter you should only use lines that lie on parallel planes, like I'm doing in this example. If the perspective is real, then the horizon line must also exist. With this image, for example, the horizon line does no longer exist, warning us it is quite possibly a fake. And we have also improved the button layout for all of our geometrical analysis filters, facilitating the registering of the constraints. And we have some good news for those of you who would like to edit and customize the Amped Authenticate report. We have now added the ability to export your report to the docx format. This is the newer Microsoft Word file format that will ensure the style and presentation of the content is much neater and easier to edit than its doc predecessor. To generate an editable docx report, simply click on the relevant option in the Tools menu and then select the docx option from the Report Format drop-down menu. As you can see, the report is now neatly presented and more compatible with Microsoft Word's newest features, making it easier than ever before to edit it and customize it. We'll now move on onto the video mode to discuss the new PRNU source identification filter, which is now able to display any detected geometrical transformations such as scaling and rotation. Let's create a camera reference pattern for this video, which I shot with my iPhone 15. When I apply the newly created CRP to this other video, which I shot with the same device but rotated with Amped 5, we have a positive match and an indication that the video has been rotated and transformed in the table viewer. And now to one of my favorite little updates, and you will find it in the Advanced File Info filter within the File Analysis group. You will now be able to save the output data from several tabs such as FFMS, Media Info, FFProbe and EXIF tool to a log file, which can be opened with any common text editor, so that you can add it to your project notes and documentation. Load the video and click on the Advanced File Info tool. You will notice a new button labeled Save to Log File for the main interrogation tabs. Click on it and browse to a destination of choice to save the data out file. You can open the saved file with Notepad or similar text editors and save it to PDF or any other chosen formats for your records. And guess what? we continue to improve the functionality of current features and to fix bugs. You can now rotate clips in the video mode clockwise or anti-clockwise. This can be really useful for smartphone or mobile devices held vertically or upside down when recording. We've also added the ability to add brightness and contrast values for the magnify tool to the generated reports so that you have an auditable account of this modification, and we've improved the labeling for the color space filter in the image mode. And this is it for this release of Amped Authenticate. Go and download the installer from your support portal now, and I really hope you enjoy the new features. Let us know your thoughts by sharing them on Discord and our various social media platforms. I also hope you have a great summer filled with exciting holidays and lots of sunshine. Until the next time, stay safe and take care.